In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ChatGPT Voice 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll have voice turned on and know exactly where to find the setting, why it lives there, and what to expect once it's enabled. Start by opening your ChatGPT interface and heading to your account profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom left of the screen. This area is your control center for anything related to your account and preferences. Clicking your profile opens a compact menu designed to group all the options that shape how ChatGPT behaves for you, so it's the perfect place to begin. From that menu, select Personalization. Think of personalization as the space where you tailor the experience to your style, how ChatGPT looks, feels, and responds. Inside, take a moment to scroll through the options so you get a sense of what's available. Near the lower portion of this screen, you'll see a section labeled Advanced. Advanced is where the more technical and feature-specific controls live, including options that go beyond basic appearance or layout. Click Advanced to open those settings. Inside Advanced, look for an item called ChatGPT Voice. This is the dedicated control for the voice feature. When you find it, toggle the switch to On. This single switch is the key. Turning it on activates voice functionality for your account. The setting applies right away, so you won't need to restart or dig through other menus. Once it's enabled, you can speak to ChatGPT and hear responses, making your conversations faster and more natural. Great for hands-free moments or when you simply think better out loud. If the label reads as enabled but you're not hearing anything, give the interface a second to update. It's normal for new features to appear in advance, so keeping an eye on this section helps you stay current. Availability can vary, and features may roll out progressively, so the option appears here as soon as it's ready for your account. After you've turned the switch on, look for the microphone control in your chat interface and speak naturally, just as you would in conversation. You can still type whenever you like. Voice simply adds another more fluid way to interact, and if you ever want to go back to a text-only experience, you can return to the same setting in Advanced and toggle ChatGPT Voice off. And that is all for today. Turning on the voice feature is a quick way to make your AI interactions even more dynamic.